I cannot. So I don't think I can be making videos since the videos that I usually am making, like, they're all in like KineMaster, and well, you see, give me a moment. KineMaster, and this that won't work for my device. Now I don't know what I could even use since I've been using like KineMaster since like I think like 2018. Like it's been so long. Like it's been like very long. So I don't know what I could even use anymore. So yeah. So if you guys actually do have suggestions, please tell me. Please tell me, and I'll actually and please give me like some tips, since I don't exactly know how to even like use them. But here's the good thing. I actually made a video before I even deleted KineMaster. So I'll actually go and actually post that, and yeah. By the way, as you can see, there are a lot of boys. This is what happens when you're only able to like able to draw boys but not girls. Because I know so I'm not like that much of a good design for like girls. Like, okay, so let me just show you. This is Maria is a girl. This bronze is a girl. And this Japan is also a girl. But also, could you guys give me a name for Japan? So I don't confuse the two. And Belarus and Ukraine are girls. So yeah, could you guys give me like a name for male Japan? No, it's because I generally have like zero ideas what to even like call him. So yeah, that's all for me. I don't know if I'll be posting anything yet. So yeah, that's all. Bye. Bye everyone. Bye. Why do I keep waving to the camera? Why is I gonna keep waving at the screen? You can't even see it. Bye.